Using a Bitcoin ATM automated teller machine is a convenient way to buy and sell Bitcoin for cash. Here's a beginner's guide on how to use a Bitcoin ATM. 1. Locate a Bitcoin ATM. Use online directories or mobile apps to find Bitcoin ATMs near your location. Many websites and apps provide maps and listings of Bitcoin ATMs worldwide. 2. Verify the ATM type. Bitcoin ATMs come in two main types, one-way and two-way. One-way ATMs allow you to either buy or sell Bitcoin, while two-way ATMs enable both buying and selling transactions. Make sure to choose an ATM that suits your needs. 3. Prepare your wallet. Before visiting the Bitcoin ATM, set up a Bitcoin wallet on your smartphone or choose a wallet service provider. Ensure that your wallet is compatible with the ATM's transaction requirements. 4. Visit the Bitcoin ATM. Go to the location of the Bitcoin ATM during its operating hours. Most Bitcoin ATMs are available 24/7, but some may have limited hours of operation. 5. Select transaction type. At the ATM, select the type of transaction you want to perform: buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin. If it's a two-way ATM, you'll have both options available. 6. Enter amount. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or sell, or the amount of cash you want to spend or receive. Some ATMs allow you to enter the amount in fiat currency, for example USD or EUR, while others require you to input the amount in Bitcoin. 7. Scan QR code or enter wallet address. If you're buying Bitcoin, scan the QR code of your Bitcoin wallet using the ATM's scanner. If you're selling Bitcoin, the ATM may print a paper wallet receipt with a QR code for you to scan. Alternatively, you may need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address manually using the ATM's keypad. 8. Insert cash for buying Bitcoin. If you're buying Bitcoin and paying with cash, insert the cash bills into the ATM's bill acceptor. The ATM will calculate the equivalent amount of Bitcoin based on the current exchange rate and deduct any fees. 9. Confirm transaction. Review the transaction details displayed on the ATM screen, including the amount of Bitcoin you're buying or selling and any applicable fees. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. 10. Receive Bitcoin or cash. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Bitcoin ATM will dispense either Bitcoin to your wallet, if you're buying, or cash, if you're selling. Make sure to collect your Bitcoin or cash from the ATM before leaving. 11. Get receipt. Optional. Some Bitcoin ATMs offer the option to print a receipt for your transaction. If you want a receipt for your records, select this option before completing the transaction. 12. Complete transaction. After receiving your Bitcoin or cash, the transaction is complete. You can now exit the Bitcoin ATM and proceed with your day. Using a Bitcoin ATM is a relatively simple process, but it's essential to double-check all transaction details and ensure that you're comfortable with the fees and exchange rates before proceeding. Additionally, always exercise caution and be aware of your surroundings when using Bitcoin ATMs, especially if they're located in public places.